Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
If you are seeing the Apple ID verification failed error when signing in, then you can simply follow these methods to fix it. First of all, check the internet connection. Apple ID verification needs a strong and stable connection. Simply swipe down from the top right corner to your control center and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi Fi internet connection. If not, then you can also switch between Wi Fi and mobile data or try connecting to a different Wi Fi network. After doing so, simply try restarting your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary issues. So, press volume up plus power slide to power off and wait 30 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on and try signing in again. Now go to the settings app, then tap on the general option available there. Inside the general, you'll have to go for the software update and update your iPhone to the latest version. Tap on the update and update it to the latest version. After you do so again, go back to the settings general, and this time all you have to do is scroll down to the bottom, and there you will get to see transfer or reset iPhone option available there. Then tap on the reset, then tap on reset all settings. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.